Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys, welcome back to another Unplanned video. Today is just a chilling pool day. We came back to Salou because there's a little town we're going to tomorrow and it's like 50 minutes from here. I'll say more about that tomorrow, I don't want to spoil the surprise. But it's dubbed Spain's most beautiful city, or village, sorry. So we'll go there tomorrow, but today is just max and relax at the pool. Okay, so we thought we'd come down to Salou because we've never seen it. So we're just having a little drive along, but have a look at the views around here, man. We've arrived at our first stop, which is pretty special. Let me just turn the camera around and show you where we are. This is everything that's around us now, and there are like 15 things to see, 16, but we're at this one here. So there's some pretty cool stuff. We're at the lighthouse of Salou here. Look at this guy just sunbathing. So from the car park there, you walk down here into there. We've took a wrong turn, we'll show you. So from the car park, you've got two little paths. You've got this, and then that. You need to jump over to this to come round. So you walk down this little ramp down here, listen to the crickets, and then you come to this. You've got another walkway down there towards the beach, and there's some people sitting down at the bottom, but we're going up here to try and find the lighthouse. Also, I've got the drone, so you know we're going to be flying that. I've already checked the app, totally safe to fly around here. And you continue up this ramp to the lighthouse there. That's your view over this side. And just there is Tarragona, the big port, all those ships. This is a stunning little area. I think this is as close as you can get to the lighthouse when it's not open, but we've got the drone. I'm gonna send the drone up from here. Right, some more drone footage in the bag. Hopefully that looked pretty cool. It did on the little screen. We've just stopped for a quick snack in McDonald's, right? How cool is this? So they've got these on the table. And you pop your phone on and it just starts charging. How cool is that? Okay, we're back in the van now. We had our little McDonald. Pam got a Happy Meal, and in there you get like a little minion toy. So I've left it just on the table, see if any of the little kids pick it up. I'll see if I can show you from here. That little yellow thing there, that's the minion.
Can you zoom in anymore?
Nah, that's Max. That's the little minion on the table. But look at this. All the McDonald's here have got like kids play lands, which is so cool. Like look, they've got little safety gates here. Keep the kids in. So we're just driving back to the hotel now. There's Ferrari World and Portaventura. We're just on the approach into Salou now, but there it is. Right, we're back in the hotel now. Had a nice little trip out. Gonna get ready now. That's it. Right, we're back at the hotel. This is the first night I've actually remembered to sign out. So we're gonna chill tonight. It's like 1:30 in the morning. And then tomorrow we're going to a cool little place. I'm not gonna say where. I'm just gonna show you when we get there. So we're checking out of our hotel in Salou. I'll show you the hotel. I'll do a little video tomorrow about the H10 vintage in Salou. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.